Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Grove Collaborative haul for you guys. Excuse my voice, it is still a little raspy. For some more Grove Collaborative goodies, so I wanted to show you guys what I got, and yeah, just keep watching if you want to see. I already opened the box, so it's no surprise to me, plus I know what I ordered, so. But here's the box that it comes in. Most of my nails have like popped off by now. So sorry for that. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the biggest thing first. Okay, the first thing I got is this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Honeysuckle Scented Laundry Detergent. And this one says it does 64 loads. It is concentrated, so that's why it's not as large of a bottle. You don't need as much product. So this is that one. Okay, next I have my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Fabric Softener. This is the lavender scented one. I am a lavender loving kind of girl, so I do love their lavender scented things. And their lavender scent is more like a lavender vanilla kind of scent. I don't know, it's not just lavender, but what else? The next thing was kind of a blunder. My bad. It was my bad. The dog's barking. So this is the Grove Collaborative Crystal Clear 2.0 Glass Cleaner Refill. So it would definitely help if I had already bought the glass cleaner to get the refill. I thought I was buying the glass cleaner. I don't know what happened there, but I ended up with the refill. So next order I'm gonna have to buy the glass cleaner, and this is just for hand washing your glasses, and it makes them like sparkly and all that. The next thing I got is from Full Circle. This is the Fresh Air compostable waste bags, and these are safe for you, non-toxic, earth-friendly, compostable, responsible living composting, BPI certified, compostable, fits any standard size countertop compost collector. So this will fit any countertop compost. I did order one with my last Grove order, so I bought some refill bags for when I run out. This was a small order because I forgot to update my cart in time. So the last thing I got, I know it wasn't much, but the last thing I got was one of these Preserve Kids toothbrushes. These are for ages 1 to 6. BPA free, 100% recycled handle, made in the USA. We do go through toothbrushes like crazy around here. We have 7 kids at the moment. We are foster parents. We have 2 kids of our own. We have 5 foster kids in our home right now, and that could change soon. We don't know yet. It can change at any point. Right now we do have 7 kids, so we keep toothbrushes on deck. So that is everything for this Grove Collaborative haul. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was short and sweet, but that's all I got this time. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to check out Grove Collaborative for yourself, just click the link below and it will take you there. It is a referral link. You don't have to use my link, but I do get a little commission from that if you do use my link. If not, that's totally fine. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.